Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna be installing EArch Linux and we're gonna be using the EArch Linux install script. But first, as I'm on a laptop and it's real hardware, I need to install my wireless drivers. So at least I have to connect to my wireless network. So we're gonna use the IWCTL. Then we're gonna do device list. And we can see that it's the W line 0. So we can do a station device scan. So station W LAN 0 scan. And then station W LAN 0 and I can get networks. Here you can all see all the networks that are in range. Mine one is the top one, so we're gonna do station device and then we're gonna connect. So the H369A6A30DF. Don't forget the WLAN 0. Then we're gonna put in the passphrase. And then we are connected. So we can go out of it by Ctrl C. So if we now do ping google.com, if I would type it correctly, we can see that we have connection. Clear the screen. So now we're gonna do archinstall. And it should get us to a menu with the simple installation instructions. So they made it very nice at the moment. So I can see the Arch language install language is set to English, so we don't have to do anything about that. Keyboard is English, so US, that's good. But the mirror region we get to set. So let's go to the Netherlands because I'm still in the Netherlands. Press enter. Locale is still AN US. Encoding, that's good. Then we get the drives. So we click on the drives. So what do we want to do with this? Now the first drive is the correct one that we need to install. This is my USB drive, this is my normal drive. Then we get the disk layout. So what do you want to do? Select what to do with each individual drive or wipe all and then select everything. We're going to use the second one. We're going to be using extension 4 as all the others one also extension 4 except for one. Would you like to create a separate partition for your home directory? Default, so let's keep it default. Encryption password. Don't need an encryption password. Bootloader is set to system D bootctl, so this is the default one. Fine by me. Swap. Okay, we're gonna use swap. We're gonna use the Arch Linux as home hostname. That's fine. Root password I don't need, but I need to create a user account. So we're gonna create my user account. I'm gonna put in my password. It's gonna warn me that it seems to be too weak, but I want to use it. So we're gonna repeat. Do you want Ton to be a super user? Yes, I want to be a super user. So confirm and exit. The profile. We're going to be using a desktop profile and we're going to install KDE. You can see how much choices you have. So awesome, BSPWM, the Budgie Desktop, Cinnamon, Deep in Alignment, GNOME, i3, KDE, LXQT, Mate, Qtile, Sway and XFCE4. So, but we're going to use KDE like we did in all the other ones. It's an AMD processor, so AMD open source, that's fine. Then the audio, we're going to use Pipewire. That's the new one. Kernels is fine, additional packages. I want to have Vim, I want to have Firefox and NeoFetch. Network configuration, click enter. As we just configured it. So we're going to copy the ISO network configuration to installation. So we're going to use this same one. Time zone. To search, you press / Europe / Amsterdam. Automatic time zone is good. Optional resources we don't need. Do we want to save the installation? If you want to, you can, but I want to install. And we press enter to continue. So now it's going to install Arch Linux. Installation is pretty straightforward, as I can say. So everything from the script is being saved in a file, all the choices, and then it's going to start installing everything on with those choices. So this can take a while, so I'll be back when it's done. So installation is done, and then we get the question if we want to do a C root into the new system. No, we don't. I don't have anything to do there, so no. And now we can reboot the system. So let's reboot. So let's take out the USB drive. I can see the systemd bootloader. And now you should be able to see also the login screen. So let's log in. Let me correct the screen. So we can see now. And as you can see, KDE completely installed. We have Firefox because I selected it, Dolphin, Discover, and the system settings. And here we can see show desktop, the clock. You can see the hidden icons here, battery status, volume, and notifications. So all done. In the menu we have the favorites, okay, the simple, all applications, not so much development, nothing there. Internet, only Firefox. Multimedia is nothing there. System settings, system, so only the things that you really need. Utilities, and that's it. So let's open the console and we do htop. You can use 636 megabytes of memory. So it's also almost nothing. And NeoFetch. We have 642 packages installed. So, like I said, very minimal. You have Arch Linux with a minimal package install and very clean. I think it's quick. I think the Arch install script is very good, easy to follow, and so yeah, you get a very nice basic KDE setup. In the next video we'll put the test scripts on it, and then we see, and then we can conclude which one of the installations is best to choose for security, for performance, and that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.